13-year-old girl gone missing in Lucea Honover. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are asking the public's assistance to help locate a 13-year-old girl who has been identified as Tamara Henderson. She is of a Lucea address. The police report states that she was last seen in her community around 8 a.m. on December the 9th. She was last seen wearing an army green dress and white slippers. In a twist of events, the female has released a voice note in which she states that she don't want to come home and that her family don't need to look for her.
I want to know if I know you all want to miss me and realize that this happened. I know. When they do all on the shit, them I know, remember me, bro. I'm no good here. I say, Alien, you all want Jerry, Jody, Mummy, Casey, and Bully, you all want to. Just remember, Susan, Omar, everyone I know. Just remember, only person I miss right now, bro, down there. I mean, I'm not miss nobody else down there. I'm not come back. I'm tired.
Her family stated that the reason she might run away, she just wants to have her own way and don't want to listen to them. If you're seeing Tamara Henderson, you're being asked to contact the Lucea Police at 876-956-2333, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.